What is good, guys? It's your boy Duco, and we're back with another video. Yes, guys, before we get this video started off, I'd like to say thank you for showing support in the last vid. The last vid did amazing, the Balenciaga Defenders vid. You know what I'm saying? I know I haven't posted in a little minute. It's been like a couple months probably. I think a couple months, right? I know I ghosted, but just know I've been active. If you've been following me on the gram, you've been seeing what I've been on. I've been traveling, you know, trying to make things happen behind the scenes for us. And guess what? We have some great news coming up soon. I'll share that with you later. But I did not forget about the Earned Potato Feats vid, the public reaction. That is still coming soon. I'm just waiting on getting some more pieces for that vid. But as you can tell by the title, this vid, we're coming with a freaky vid for October, guys. A freaky vid. As you can tell by the title, we're reacting to the Earned Potato hands, the gloves that he just came out with. I did cop these. They were a pre-order, so I pre-ordered them on June 18th. And guys, when I tell you shipping, bro, it took damn near like how long? June, July, August, September, October, November. So it took like 4 months for my shits to get here. Like what 4 months? That's brazy. But as you know, if you do still want to cop, they are on the site right now. I believe I paid like $60 for them. And I did get 2 pair. So with that being said, I'm not gonna let y'all wait. You know what I'm saying? We're finna get into this video. And yeah, see you there.
Here, hey, he's trying to touch you. He's trying. Yeah. He go hard like a drum.
Yeah. Bro, yes, bro.
On top of the
We have the Yeezy Season 300 right here.
So y'all,
you see my shirt? It says Billionaire Boys Club. There we go. Boom. We do have the box right here. Oh damn. Oh no. I thought y'all could see my location. I thought you could see my address, but we do have the box right here. It did come in this big ass box. Not even gonna lie to you guys. So I'm just gonna take the product out and if I can show y'all. Oh shit. Before we open the box, go subscribe, like, comment, subscribe. You know what I'm saying? Go follow me on the gram if you want to keep updated with me. And yeah, man. You know what I'm saying? If you gain anything from this video, show your boy some love. But all this extra they have in here, you know what I'm saying? We don't need that, right? We came for the hands. Boom. And boom. So, one thing about Potato, as I said in my last vid, as you can see, let me just show y'all the product first. You can see here's the back of the product, the hands, and this is really freaky to be honest. Y'all thought the feet were freaky, the hands are pretty freaky. The back right here. And one thing I do love about Mr. Potato himself, he does bless us in the box with a sticker. Only one sticker though. That's kind of disappointing just because my last pair, like the Caveman slips in the last vid, it came with hella stickers actually. And I also bought a sticker pack. So Potato, if you're watching this, drop another sticker pack. But let's get into it. We're gonna crack this box open, and always a detail on packaging. Packaging is like amazing with Earned Potato products because guess what? After I unbox it, what am I gonna do? Put it on the shelf. It's gonna be like a decorative piece. It's kind of hard to unbox since I'm not trying to like actually damage the packaging. They smell like a Halloween store. So these hands, let's see a comparison. They're pretty big. They're rubber. They're made out of rubber material, as you can see right here. So in this pair, they do have the potato right here, the signature potato. The potato sign on the bottom of the glove. And quality-wise, I'll say it's your basic like silicone rubber. So if you've ever bought a Halloween mask for Halloween, it feels like a Halloween mask, to be honest. And also smells like a Halloween mask. Weird. This one also does have the potato on the bottom also too. And I'm not going to open the other pair just because that pair is just to have, basically, just to set on the shelf. But yeah, man. Detail on the fingers. Not too much to really review on these, to be honest. You can see the inside once again. I'm gonna put these on. Oh, so one thing I don't like about these now. Wow, I'm glad I put these on. One thing I don't like about these are like mitts. They're like not actual fingers. They're like mitts. So your hand basically stops like right here. Your whole hand. My hand's all the way extended right now. It basically stops right here. It would be cool if you could actually put your whole hand in there and like grip the fingers so you can like move them, but fuck. Sorry for my language, guys. But Earn Potato, he didn't do that this time for some reason. But they're still nice, you know what I'm saying? Cool, nice little freaky hands, you know what I'm saying? If you have a hand fetish, you know, last time, you know me, I'm more of a foot guy. But if you have a hand fetish, you might could get down with these, you feel me? Yo, these are brazy, I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, man, these did run me about $60 USD. I did buy 2 pairs, so I spent, I think, with tax, it was like $125. Not too bad, not too bad. And then it did take a long time to ship, and they still do have them in stock right now. So I bet if you purchase right now, since they're not pre-order anymore, your stuff will come faster than mine. I guarantee you, probably. I can't guarantee that, but most likely it will. And as you can see, like I have taken pictures in the Earn Potato feeds, and this is just like a nice like little complimentary, you know, like little complimentary piece for the Earn Potato feeds. I will post a pic soon, so keep following me on IG at sns.duco. We are going up. I'm not gonna lie, a lot of motion is in work. Just look at these, but a lot of motion is in work. So yeah, man, that's pretty much it about the vid. Not too much to really say on these. Feel-wise, breathability-wise, your hand actually does fit nice in there. Because it's like a glove, you can see. Hand's pretty cozy in there. It'll keep you warm. I'll say you could wear these in winter. You will be seeing me in New York with these during winter time. One last put it back on, you know what I'm saying? Put them back on one last time. On hand review. I don't like how they're as floppy either. I wish they were a little more like tight to your skin, but what can you say? And we're back. Sorry for that minor cut, but yeah, like I was saying, overall these gloves are pretty nice. As I like to say, thank you, Miss Potato, for actually paying attention to detail. You do also have the veins. You can't see the freaky veins, just like the shoes. You do also have the veins, and then as again the potato. So really not too much to talk about on these. I'm low-key disappointed. I don't know. I like them, but I'm low-key disappointed. They're like mitts. I wish like my whole fingers could like go inside, you know, so I could actually grip. But pretty comfortable. And this review has been an ultimate success. You know, we did do the Earn Potato hands this time, the freaky hands, you know. Nothing wrong with them. It's just that the hands, I don't know if they're gonna make the cut for me like most of the time. And these hands, they're pretty nice. You know, they're just like a nice accessory to have if you want to play around. It's getting around the Halloween time. I'll say pick yourself a pair up if you want to be a caveman. But you might want to also get the shoes also too. You will be seeing me rock these though. Both of these in a pic. So keep on my IG at sns.duco. And also these did, we're gonna close it out probably right now. This did run me about $60 USD for one pair. Shipping, as you know, shipping does take a while for certain stuff, but it was okay this time. It took me like 4 months plus for shipping. Ordered on wow. So they're trying to finesse on the paper. It said I ordered 9/26. I ordered June 18th, but we're not going to speak on that, guys. But as always, it has been a pleasure at Epic Review. And you know what I'm saying? Thank you for rocking me. If you gained any knowledge or any information from this vid, please leave a comment, like, subscribe, and you know what I'm saying? Turn on the post notification bell for your boy. Also, follow me on IG at sns.duco if you want to keep updated with all the fits I post. And there are some big news coming soon, so follow me on IG. I will be releasing the news on my IG, on my main, at sns.duco. So yeah, go tap in with that. And as always, guys, stay dangerous, be safe, and guess what? See you in the future.